Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add products to your Shopify account. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video. First thing you have to do is go to your Shopify account, your home page. And this is my home page right now. You can see. By the left side of your tabs, you see what we call products. You click on products, then we have collections, inventory, purchase orders, and blah blah blah. That. But what we are here for is to add products to our Shopify account. So you see the menu option up here by the right of your screen. Then click on add products. These are all the products I've added to my store already. But to add more, then let me show you guys on how to add products to your Shopify account. Then click on add products. As you can see. So when you finish clicking on the add product, it will bring what you have to do next. So whether you are going to add your title of your product, the description of your product, then add what's the correct name, the image of your product, then the category your product belongs to, then what is it again, pricing and cost per item. Maybe you have a lot of things there, then you can just do the normal settings for it. Then what is it again? So like if you like to track your inventory, track quantity, then you can also mark it. Then shipping is a physical product. Whether it is a physical product, you can click on shipping. Then if it's not a physical product, you can just unmark it. So there's assuming your product has like maybe like different types of product, like maybe size, then this is where you click on the size like add options. Maybe maybe you're selling with like with normal house size, like maybe like size one, size something like that, or all this kind of stuff like that. So that's what we need to. So let's dive into now how to add products. So this is the name of the product I want to add to my store. So you input the title here. As you can see, in Western Dennis dress a New York moment. So you can also add the description of your products. So what your product is all about. And you can just give a short description about your products. Let's check this out. Saying these products now the description just like you can just input this also here. So you can also change the head. So like three, yeah, like this. Okay. So what next you are going to do is adding okay, which is your image, your profile. So this is the image, as you can see. It is the same image. In case the image has some, maybe it has a lot of different types of shape, so you can also add more. So let me show you how to do that. So this is, you have to add again. Then click on add media. Then you select the one you want to add to it. Then I choose this one. Then you add your item. So that's on how to add more different products to your page, to your account. Then about the pricing, so you can just give your pricing any amount. Just like, let me say this could worth like 50,000. So wherever you are, you can just change the country price. Okay. So compare at maybe 70,000 and four. So let's choose that. Then you can also, like, in case if maybe your product runs out of stock, maybe you want to keep continue selling when out of stock, you also click on it. But maybe you want the people to know that you're already out of stock, then you have to mark it back. So that's how it works. So for this, I think we don't have anything like size. So yeah, I think this is very nice. Then we are done. So this is where you add. So let's add 10. Then you click on save. As you can see, product created. Then we are done creating our product. To check maybe your product has been added to your account, then you just come back here to check it out. Then as you can see, this is between Western, yes, so it has been live, as you can see, active, then in stock. So that's how it works. So if you really enjoy my video, thank you for subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, give a question you want to ask. Thanks for watching. Good day.